Hi everyone, let's talk about how you evaluate yourself. Or is it okay that you evaluate yourself every day? Yes, it is more important that you evaluate yourself every day. And ordinary people don't do that because they don't care. But if you want to become successful, you have to evaluate yourself. People are very different in terms of how you get your goals, how to become successful. Now, it is in your hand how to do such things. It always boils down on evaluate being how you think, how you move, how you act, and how to become successful and productive. Business people or successful people, they evaluate themselves if they are productive or they unproductive. At the end of the day, it will always boils down how you will do and how they think. It is better to find a ways or progress in everything that we do. If we do worse on such things, they're always intentionally on how you do things in a winning situation. Always boils down to always a must. There always a must to evaluate ourselves so that we know how to maintain ourselves if you are on the right path or if you're not. Getting better, improve always, make a progress in your life. That is always the evaluation that the successful people always do. So let us try to evaluate ourselves. It will help us how to do the right thing. Thank you everyone and God bless.